This is our bandsaw. Ian's done the first trim cut, so we've got a nice straight beginning. He's strapping it now so the bars don't turn while it's cutting, and then he'll feed it through to the 510mm point and set the saw running, and it's automated from that point. Every one of these 39 510s that we've cut, they've actually got a jig on site and they test the length of every bar. And if it didn't suit their purpose, they'd stick it on a pallet and send it back to us.